Welcome to our channel. While Chromebooks don't have a traditional low power mode like smartphones, you can optimize battery life through various settings. Follow these steps to extend your Chromebook's battery performance. Step 1. Click on the status area in the bottom right corner of your screen where the clock and battery icon are displayed. Step 2. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Step 3. Scroll down and click on Device in the left sidebar menu. Step 4. Select Power to access battery and power management settings. Step 5. Adjust screen brightness to a lower level as the display is one of the biggest battery consumers. Step 6. Enable adaptive brightness, which automatically adjusts screen brightness based on ambient lighting. Step 7. Close unnecessary browser tabs and applications running in the background to reduce CPU usage and power consumption. Step 8. Disable Bluetooth and turn off Wi-Fi when not needed to conserve battery power during periods of non-use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.